Hi firms, and welcome to another video on MeTech. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add any website as a shortcut on your Chrome browser for PC. Now, the first thing is to have your Chrome browser launched, and then you'd want to click to open another tab by clicking the little plus icon button right here. And once the new tab is opened, you can see it is plus icon just under the search bar that says add shortcut. So you want to just go ahead and click on add shortcut, and then you'd want to give it a name. And once you have done that, the next thing is to copy the URL of the website that you'd want to add as shortcut on your Chrome browser. So I'll just copy this URL for the sake of the video, and then I'll paste that in here and then click on done. So that way we've added this website as a shortcut on our Chrome browser, and it's gonna be there till you go ahead and have it removed. That's how to add any website as a shortcut on your Chrome browser for PC. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.